Hi people, today I'm at Scarborough and I'm staying at the Norbreck Hotel in Castle Road. It is owned by Compass, so it's not a Britannia hotel. I've booked a single room, so let's take a look, shall we? Yeah, as you can see, it's a single bed. It's quite a small room. So yeah, let's take a look at the bed, shall we? Oh look! There's Mr. Froggy. So it's got a mattress protector on. Oh, if I can get to it. Yeah. It's all clean. Got a lamp here. Yeah, that works. Bedside table. The Holy Bible. Yeah. Yeah, pillow looks clean. Ooh, put them back up. And then I've got a chair here. Looks a bit stained. Needs a good work down. There's a plug socket there. Full length mirror. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Curtains. Not too bad. A few little stains, but nothing out of the ordinary. And then we've got quite a sea view of the back of the hotel here. So yeah, check these windows open. Yeah, yeah. A little bit of bug there. And then we've got a wardrobe. Another pillow. Let's check that's clean. Yeah. And coat hangers. And a blanket there. And a fan. It's quite warm in this room. Got desk here. Hair dryer. And a shelf there. I did notice the carpet a little bit manky under there. A bin. Another plug socket there. Got the TV, little TV, let's put it on, check. And you got your tea, coffee, milk, kettle. Let's have a look at the kettle, shall we? Water in it, but it looks clean. Right, cup, do not disturb sign, put that on there. So yeah, no signal. So look. Yeah, no signal, it's saying. Well, I'll get that looked at after. Because of course, I've got a towel rail button here. That's to heat towel rail. And this bathroom. Got the shaver's light and shaver's socket there. Of course, you've got mirror, soap, the sink there. Got a shelf there. There's your towel rail. I presume that's where you put it on. And then you've got bath. Yeah, it needs not too bad. And shower. Shower head. Yeah, clean. Have a body wash. A bit mangy there, but nothing major. And then we've got a whole toilet. Clean. Clean. And then you've got brush there, toilet brush there, and also you've got to use the shower information there. So yeah, as I said, there's been there. Little hook off. As I said, it's, oh, that looks a bit manky. Probably again with mould from the bathroom. But yeah, that looks a bit manky. And you can't even put the blinds down anyway. So, and then you got a fire action thing there. And you've got a picture on there. So, as I said, the room's quite small. But hope you enjoyed watching. And I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.